Looking for your own slice of paradise on Fort Myers Beach? Welcome to 261 Denora Boulevard. This charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is nestled on a beautiful, peaceful preserve, offering privacy and natural views. Enjoy the best of island living with deeded beach access and a location just minutes from the vibrant downtown beach district, restaurants, shopping, and entertainment. So call me, Liz Williamson, with Realty One Group MVP at 239-728-8313.